Hey guys, well, it's been a while. Actually, I think it's been about 2 years since my last video. I'm going to try to do better at that. I have now retired from my full-time job and doing this milling thing full-time. That happened about a month ago, and we moved from where we used to live to a place with some more land, and thought I'd just give you an update and show you around. Here we go. This right here is a nice stack of cherry logs. Some of them are smaller. Some of them not good for much, but like that one right there, you get some stuff like that, and I think that thing's just firewood. Same way with that guy right there. But this whole thing, there's a few maple out at the bottom of that stack, but that's all cherry. Then I have over here some willow. Right there's a few oak logs. On the back side of it there's some poplar and tulip poplar. Then we come over here to this guy. Big old beefy white oak. 16 foot long. I believe it's in the upper 40s, maybe 50 inches on this, and you know, you got butt flare. There's its sister right there. I believe that's a good 48 incher, and again 16 foot long. I have a tree service that I've partnered with, and they drop all this stuff off. No charge. Yeah, that's some oak right there, some silver maple that they dropped off, and another big old silver maple right here. This thing's going to be our dining room table. And I never measured this one yet, but there's going to be some serious crotch figure right in there, if you can see how that bulge is. Look at that thing. That's going to be beautiful in there. I think that measured 36 or so on the width down here. Then back there I got an ash log. Right behind that some beetle kill pine. This is a stack of logs that belongs to a customer of mine. That's some oak and silver maple. Shorter cherry logs. And a whole stack right here of silver maple with some ambrosia in it and such. Got some stacked up cherry right over there. And a whole bunch of firewood back there. Give you a little bit of perspective on the giant logs back there, and you're probably wondering, wait a second, this guy has an LT28, what's he going to do with that? Well, something was in there. What was that? Let's take a look. There's my LT28. Still there. And also, for you guys that thought I was about to kill myself and break my back, looky there. I have a Moffett forklift. Picks up 5,000 pounds. And looky there, the Lucas mill. And I bought the slabbing attachment with it, which that thing works fantastic. If you've done any amount of chainsaw milling, you know how much work it is. I milled up that log was a good 37, 40 inches, right around there in diameter. And it's a pin oak. I was just milling it up for pallet cants, which I have a bunch right here. And my wife made me a nice lemonade. And so I got down so far into it, and I thought, well, hey, this looks like a really nice slab here. So I put the chainsaw milling attachment on it, then milled up 3 slabs. Made them 3 inches thick, and can't really tell, you know, what this stuff, you know, the beauty of this stuff once it's dry like that, but This stuff was really gorgeous. So you got that figure in there from that branch that was coming off the side. And yeah, I got 3 of those slabs. And in a couple of weeks, I'm going to have some more stuff to show you that I'm getting. And more upgrades to equipment. But on another video, I'm going to take a video of me milling this into more pallet cans. For you guys that don't like hear talking, just pay attention to that one, because that one's just going to be nothing but milling. See you on the next one. That's fine.
It's fine if you do. Please take it out.
Go over there and stand in front of it. Get some perspective here. That thing is monstrous.